So we're going to go to cell A22, and we're going to key in test 3 completed. We're going to go over to B22, and basically we want Excel to look at the values below test 3 to basically see if they have numbers in them. So we are going to be using a function called count. So we're going to be looking at what's in test 3 in that column. So we're going to start with an equal sign and key in a C for count. And then we'll do an O and a U. And eventually we get it kind of narrowed down here. So I'm going to double click, and that puts count into this cell with the left parenthesis. Now I can manually type D4 through D16, or I can left drag, which I tend to do because it's faster and it's more accurate. Once I've got D4 through D16, I'm going to put in my right parenthesis, and then I'm going to go ahead and press enter. Okay, so it's telling me that 13 have completed. Okay, so it counted 13 values. And we're going to do another version of this. So down in A23, we're going to do test 3 administered. And we're going to be doing a little variation of count. We are going to be using count A. And the difference is that count looks for numeric values, and count A looks for any characters. So it doesn't necessarily have to be numeric. So over in B23, this is where we are going to put count A. And we could do equals C, that technique, or we can use our insert function button. Okay, these are still considered statistical functions. And here's count A. So basically it's looking for things that aren't empty, whereas count is only looking for numbers. Okay, so we're going to select count A, click OK. It's making a guess about what cells to look at, and it is guessing wrong. So you can manually type over that, or you can click on the red arrow. Make sure you're under test 3, drag over the values, and then click the little red arrow to get back. The range of cells you want it to look for is D4 through D16, and you're going to go ahead and click OK. Okay, so every test was completed, basically, that's telling us. So we're going to go ahead and save our changes.